Hello everybody, this is Satisfair and welcome to another episode of Minecraft Forge modding tutorials. Last time we set up um, the environment in a different way, and this time we are going to set up the main class and the reference class and the mcmod.info file again. I've actually a mcmod.info file from a different mod that I'm making at the moment in the little mod that is called, and yeah, so I will use that to make the new mcmod.info. But yeah, let's go start modding. So we hit new on the common and click class. We name this tutorial, and we're gonna set it in a package up here. So it's com.satisfair. The mod is tutorial. Click finish, and this is what pops up. Now there are a few things we will need here, like this @mod ID equals that, name equals that, and version equals that. Now it won't equal that for very long. We will change those later. But for now we'll just keep it as that. But we also need network mod and client side required equals true, and server side required equals false. This will make it so that it is this will kind of make it so that you can have it multiplayer. It makes it it needs it on the client side, and it does sort of everything on the client side, not the server side or something like that. Yeah, and we just get rid of these errors by Control-Shift-O to import everything that we need. Oh, and I have a typo there. Version, sorry. Yeah, so we just gonna add some more in this here. It like @instance, and we will have the mod ID there, but since we don't have it yet, we are just going to have annotation marks. So public, your class name, which is public static, your class name, which is in this case tutorial instance, and import instance, and we've got that. Now we need some more in here, like @pre init, and yeah, static, public static pre init, fml pre initialization event. Oops, there you go. Import that. And what's happening here? Public static void, sorry, not even static. It's not supposed to be static. It's just public void. Yeah. Now that's a way Forge uses to put the mod into the game. This is set in this is what's set in first. This is where our blocks and items will go, and a few other things. And now we need one more, which no, two more, and it is init public void init fml initialization event and import that. Yeah. This is where we earlier had blocks and items, but since 1.4.7 or something, we don't do that anymore. Yeah, and post init. This is where our if we needed to sort of collaborate with other mods, this is where we do it, I think. Initialization event. And yeah, import those. I've never used this before, but I will have it in here because, well, it's just to have all the methods you can use. And if you are going to collaborate or making it use another mod, this is where you do it, because this is sort of doing stuff after the mod is installed or used. So yeah, now we got our main class here, tutorial. So now we go ahead and create the reference class. Now this reference class is going to have all the mod ID, mod name, version in one file, so that we don't need to change it everywhere, but we can just change it at one place. That's basically why we have it. So we just right click the package that we just made and click new and class, and we're gonna add this to a different class called lib. I mean a package called lib, which is going to put it in a folder named lib, and call this reference. Click finish, and inside here we are just going to have a lot of strings. So public static final string, and since this is a final, we have the name in big letters. That's just good programming. So mod underscore ID equals, and for this we're just gonna have X for Seto and T for tutorial. Why not? And for the name, we're gonna have public static final string mod underscore name equals setos tutorials, and the version is just going to be version equals 0.1. Why not? Because this is the first stage. So that's all we need inside here for now. So just save that, and now we can do this reference, because we have to show which class we shall take the variable from, dot mod ID, and as you can see, no errors. It takes this information and put it inside here. Pretty neat. So we just do that with everyone. Reference dot mod name and reference dot version, and we also need the mod ID here. So reference dot mod ID, and yeah, that's the classes. So now for the mcmod.info. So this is how it looks like when you're done with it. It has the mod ID, name, description, version, URL, update URL, author list, credits, and all that stuff. And you have to have all of it, and it has to be match. It has to match these things in here. So I'm just gonna copy that. Right click on common, click new, file, and call it mcmod.info. Click finish. And I'm just gonna paste that there. And remember, the mod ID is xt, so I'll just put that in. So xt. Actually, I will get rid of the earlier one, the ones that we won't need. And we need this for the name, like so. And remember, you can't use these things inside the mcmod.info because it isn't a Java file, so it won't recognize it. So yeah, the version is right from by default. The author list is me. I'm in. It's by me, and yeah, I'll just have it like that for now. Actually, I'll just get rid of it because I won't put it on the MC forums. So yeah, and that's all you need. So that's the mod ID, that's the mod name, that's the description. Well, I can change that. Set as YouTube video tutorials. Made so that you can learn how to mod. Yeah, and that's it. Now, I forgot actually. Last episode I didn't show you how to open this. So to play or to debug or whatever you call it, you go to play or run configurations. You double click Java application, and you select not tutorial but Minecraft, and the main class is, you click search and search for start. That's the one you're gonna use. In arguments, you put in your username if you want, and this will make it so that you log into your user. And we have to edit the working directory because otherwise you will just mess up this Minecraft folder here, and you don't want that. You just want to have it clean, so we're gonna change it to $sign and square brackets. So what is it called? Workspace. Well, basically the same as above Minecraft, but we add a slash, and it's gonna be JAWS and square brackets, and click apply. Now we're gonna name this vanilla Minecraft. So this will just have the, well, and actually we are going to add it to favorites as well. Yeah, but we don't have to do anything about this now. This will just run and have only Forge installed. So yeah, but we need another one for our mods to be in, so a modded Minecraft. So we just double click that again, call it modded Minecraft, if I can spell. Browse it to Minecraft again and search for the start, which should be there by default now. And we're just gonna have our information again. Change this to what we did earlier, workspace underscore lock colon Minecraft slash JAWS. And in now, what's different from the other one, not this, is the class path. We just click on user entries, add projects, tutorial, and uncheck these, and click OK and apply. And this will make it have our mod, and we are just going to I'm just going to show you that by opening the modded Minecraft. Allow access. If that pops up, just click allow access, and it will download Forge, as you can see, which shows you that you have done something right. And it will open up, and no errors down here, as you can see. And yeah, we are good to go. And if we click on mods, we see setters tutorials, version 0.0.1, mod state available, no mod information found. Now that's weird. It should have been okay. Well, I'll show you what's wrong in the next video, I guess. This has been Satisfair. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please leave a like, show your support, and yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Bye.